Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nasir the Explainer. I hope you all will be fine. Yo guys, welcome back with another amazing and interesting video. In this video, I am going to tell and explain some useful tips and tricks for YouTube in 2020-22. So keep watching this video up till end. So guys, let's start the video. First of all, open Google folder, open YouTube application, and this is my channel and the content of my channel. Open some video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nasir the Explainer. So, trick number one, if you want to show the video in full screen, there are two options. First of all, you can rotate your phone horizontally, but you can see auto rotation is turned off, and you can click this full screen button and the video is turned into full screen. You can swipe the video upside and you can see the video is turned full screen automatically. And if you want to turn full screen off, swipe down and you can see the video is turned to half screen. If you want to close the video, then scroll down and you can see the video is minimized, but the video is still running in a minimum size. To close this window, you can click the cross button, and there is another option, drag the video down size. So here is again, open some video. If you want to full screen, swipe up, turn your screen minimal, swipe down. If you want to close your screen, swipe down, and if you fully close the window, swipe down. So tip number 2, open a video, and if you want to scroll forward and backward, there are two options. You can click your status bar forward, backward, but here is a problem that you cannot reach the desired time of the video. So there is a best option, click the video and you can swipe forward and backward to your desired location. So in this way you can skip your video easily to reach your desired time. This option also works in full screen mode. Click and hold. Now you can swipe the video backward and forward. Tip number 3, open your video. Tip number 3, open your video and you can see if your buffering or downloading video buffering is very slow. You can change the setting and you can change the video quality. The video quality in this case is auto 480 frames. You can change advanced. You can change this setting, and in this way if you lower your video pixel density, the more higher and faster the buffering will be. I hope that's enough for the today's video, and if you want to watch such a more interesting video in future, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Take care.